Native Australian fruits such as quandong, riberry, Davidson's plum and finger lime have been used as Australian food and medicine by Aboriginal people in Australia for thousands of years. They have long been sustained and nourished by the power of these superfoods and the land they come from. Kampurarrpa dreaming at Ngami is an artwork based on the desert raisin that has an intense sweet and smoky flavour and has been a staple food of the people of Central Australia for thousands of years. This design is a story of travelling across the land, sourcing, collecting and extracting the juice from these delicious fruits according to the seasons and the rhythms of nature. This story is an invitation to bring the spirit of the land back to your kitchen to maintain a healthy life wherever you are.